here in my channel. So for today's video, we're gonna do another unboxing. This PR package came from Bonne Philippines or Bonne Philippines ata. Bonne is a Thailand brand and most of their bath essentials talaga is pampaputi. So, I can't wait to try these products. But before that, let's do an unboxing. And na-pre-unboxing ko na to. So, these are the products that they sent me. Actually, it's parang 6 items. No, it's 5 items. So, isa-isa natin. First is this one. You know, ang ganda ng products nila, guys. Kasi it's all pink. So, they gave me a super hydrating silky salt scrub and spa milk salt triple white. Meron din silang binigay ng mga whip soap. Yan, mga whip soap, guys. Meron din na shower formula na spa milk salt. Cream soap. It's cream soap. So, isa-isa natin, guys. But before that, I want you to meet my yung nagmamilk po kanina po. Snowball! My baby Snowball. How's it look, Snowbee? Alright. Okay, back to the unboxing. So first, where ba mabibili si Bonne Philippines? You can buy it through their Facebook page. And also, you can buy them on Shopee. Mabibili nyo din yung Bonne sa Watson's, SM Supermarket, at SM Department Store. So yun, isa-isa natin yung products ni Bonne. So first is this super hydrating salt scrub. So yung Bonne super hydrating salt scrub is a 2-in-1 hydrating salt scrub. It unclogs pores, exfoliates, watermelon extract kasi it has vitamin C and E na antioxidant and rich in vitamins. Meron din siyang kojic acid that gives a brighter and smoother skin. So yan, watermelon extract. So next is Spa Milk Salt Triple White. I think this is one of their most signature products talaga kasi I have office mates na itong spa salt talaga yung binibili kasi super effective daw, nakakaputi daw talaga. This is a spa milk salt, moisturizing, whitening, smooth and baby skin. Triple white siya, guys. So, it's a brightening product with milk formula and it has a natural spa salt benefits. It is used to scrub the skin to remove grime, sweet pollutants from your body without causing irritation. So, ang ganda niya, guys. Yan. Next is, we have a shower formula. Yan si shower formula. So, it's natural exfoliating, natural antibacterial, and natural smooth radiant. So, we're on to our quick unboxing nito, guys. So, this one is, they give me a hydrating watermelon extract din, guys, na whip soap. As usual, it has vitamin E and vitamin C. So, vitamin E helps to reduce free radical and protect skin from pollution, and vitamin B3 and kojic acid can reduce melanin that gives a better and smoother skin. So, the last product that they gave me is this yogurt milk cream soap. So, it's nano white gluta. Most of their products, guys, napapaputi talaga. Kasi, di ba, yung mga Thailand products na nakikita ko is mostly for whitening talaga sila. And I think this is very effective kasi maraming nagva-vouch talaga about this product. So, it's a must-buy talaga yung mga Bonne products. So, yan, guys. Yan. That's the yogurt cream soap. It's a 3 times whitening glutathione soap. It cleans and nourishes your face and body by gently rubbing with the soap, then rinse off your skin. Your skin will absorb the protein extras and will be cleansed and nourished. So yun, guys. So these are all the products that Bonne Philippines gave me. Ang ganda nila. Bet na bet ko because I love pink colors and ito talaga super pink. Super pink yung packaging nila. Super silky. So yeah guys, that's the end of my quick unboxing about Bonne Philippines. So it's a really must-buy but essential whitening product. Yan guys ha, mabibili nyo to sa Watson's, SM Department Store, SM Supermarket. Yun nga, mabibili nyo din siya sa Shopee. You can check the description box sa link ng Shopee account nila kung saan nyo mabibili yung mga Bonne products. So yun guys, that's the end of my vlog, my unboxing vlog. I hope na bigyan ko kayo ng mga pamputi but essential ideas where to buy it. So yan guys, please do buy Bonne Philippines. Bye-bye! If you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up. Make sure to leave a comments down below.